Hey guys, Ralph here, and welcome to True Power Trumpet Fitness here on Magnificent Monday here in Connecticut. This is a little bit different as well. I got something else from Horst Fischer. Now, first of all, there is a couple comments on the Horst Fischer I did yesterday that he put some links that have some tremendous, absolutely tremendous Horst Fischer playing. It's absolutely beautiful. What I love about Horst Fischer more than anything is, guys, there is no tension. None. If you heard it in that bugle call where he was trying to play round and relaxed and everything, and even when he's knocking the walls down, there's no tension. Maynard, there's plenty of tension. You know, some of that tension almost led to some of the excitement. You know, is he going to make that last high note? That type of thing. There's no question. Horst Fischer going from octave to octave and just the flexibility and everything. Guys, he could have played easily with Faddis, Sandoval, and Morrison. Those chops, absolutely. Would he have had the bebop knowledge, you know, that they were playing with? Probably not. He was more of a Harry James, sort of a commercial type of thing. He did have a lot of ability. But, the chops were absolutely there. 100%. And as I said, one of my favorite chop pictures of all time. Look at how relaxed those chops are. It's just unbelievable. Anyway, the one I'm going to give you today is the iconic Hot Canary. Okay? Now, the cutting and pasting job is not very good. You can hear them. You can hear them cutting in the the different licks and everything. So it was done in a studio for sure. And those G's above double C, Jerry and I always used to have a discussion. I thought they were G's above double C. He thought they were G's above triple C. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. Anyway, if you have any thoughts on that, give them to me down there. Now, the thing about it is, I told you, in my pursuit of a triple C, it's got to be an actual note. It can't be a chirp. Now, if there is anybody in the history of trumpet that could make a G above double C other than a chirp, it would be him. I don't know anybody that is playing that relaxed and with that little tension. So for that reason, I'm not sure if he made it, specifically made it sound like a chirp to fit the piece. You hear this little canary chirping around. So, I mean, there are other great hot canaries around. Maynard's got one. Maynard Ferguson has. Maurice Andre has one that is tremendous. But anyway, I love this, and I love the sound, the brilliance. And I did a video several weeks ago about no limitations. Guys, there is no limitations in the sound. It doesn't matter if he's playing a G, a double C. It just always sounds like he's got another octave above it. He is that relaxed, and it's that easy. It's incredible. It's incredible. Anyway, so that's that for today. Give me your comments, and if you don't want to give it down below, give it to me on the email at the end of the video, and I will talk about it in the video the next day. Tomorrow, I stumbled across some stuff about relaxation, so we'll talk about that, and it will certainly help you with the PNF and the kettlebell and all that sort of stuff, how it works. So yeah, that's that. Well, enjoy Hot Canary, and give me your comments. And we'll talk again tomorrow. Love you all. Eat and drink fruits, vegetables, starches, and live your life with true power. Not the fake stuff, true power. Love you all.